I dey salute everybody. I never do this kind thing before. I just wan start. So my name na Victoria. Some people dey call me Bantoria, Bistoria, Bikitoria. Even one person call me Nigeria sef, because dem no sabi call the name. So anyhow wey you wan pronounce am, na you know. But my own be say I just wan gist. I tire for sit down look TV o. I don read book tire. I don do WhatsApp tire. And I tire for Facebook sef. So I wan gist about wetin dey happen. Some people dey tell us say as we dey for house for this COVID-19 now, make we go learn new thing like new cooking. I no wan learn any new cooking now. When I go dey cook something wey I go waste my ingredient finish, I no fit chop the thing. Make I just dey manage as I fit manage, dey cook the one wey I sabi eat. Make I no come go waste food. When person dey manage to buy food, you dey cook something and money no dey enter. The little one wey you get again, you wan say you wan go take dey do experiment. Better make we just dey cook wetin we know say we sabi chop. Some people say make we go internet, make we go learn new handwork. Which kind handwork we wan learn now? All the thing wey dem dey talk online, how many of us get credit wey we go sit down for internet 5 hours dey learn something? How many of us get computer wey we go say we go take learn am? When we learn am finish, wetin we wan come take am do for where we dey, for our street or for our yard? How many of us go school reach that one? When people dey look for how dem wan take chop now, survive, how dem wan manage themselves, manage dem children, feed their children, the COVID-19 sef, how many of us know wetin that thing be? We dey hear am for news, abi? And some kind people dey talk am say one sickness dey wey dem dey call COVID-19. If dem ask us now say wetin we know say be COVID-19, how many of us know wetin be COVID-19? How many? I don see where some people dem no even sabi call am. Dem go say na corona lysos, corona something something. This sickness na the thing wey be like fever and catarrh, wey person no go fit breathe. And because person no fit breathe, na im person go come die as person no fit breathe. The people wey sabi wetin the thing be, dem say e dey gather something for person chest wey dey block am. Say na that thing dey make person no fit breathe well well. And all of us know say if dem block person nose and e no fit breathe, na die be that, right? So na the thing wey dey happen, na im be this COVID wey dem give am big name like this. Na the thing dey give you fever, e dey give you cough, give you sore throat, then go come block you, make you no fit breathe again. Na im be the corona. Dem for just tell us say na one kind fever with chest pain wey dey kill person. Instead make dem dey give am big name, especially for our people there wey the English dey pass us small sef. Na I say make I just come make me sef talk my own. Make una tell me how una dey manage una own time. Some of my friends dem dey cook different kind food dem dey chop. Make we no come fat pass our cloth now. When the thing stop now, we go dey go look for money to buy new cloth because the one wey we get for house no size us again. Make una softly dey chop the food o. If some of us, we just dey pray, dey beg God say make he have mercy on us, make he cross this thing. The people wey before wey dem dey say God no dey, dem sef don go find God now. Dem see say this thing don pass their power. Okay, for our people place wey dem say stay for house, dem arrange make how people go chop. I hear say sef na kolo some people dey do with the thing wey dem suppose to divide. We no know. My mama dey for where she dey, I no go tell una. But dem say dem come their street, na only one house dem go share, whether na food wetin dem dey share. For the whole street na one house dem enter, dem take photo talk say dem don share for everybody for the street. And my mama na 80 something years old, she no see anything. Breeze, their breeze sef no blow reach her. So I dey ask una say, how una dey manage for dis thing wey we dey for house dey do so? Dis one wey I dey talk so, na inside my room I dey o. I don lie down tire, I don dey read book tire. Okay, I dey go read another book now, make I kuku do. I get one exam wey I wan do, so I go just leave una now, make I go manage myself, make I read my book. If una wan comment, una wan make I talk anything, make we discuss anything, me I like gist. I like to gist with people, but see now, nobody to gist with pass my children dem, the one wey dey for house o, wey get chance for me. So anybody wey wan gist story, or una have anything wey una want make we talk about, anything wey una want make we gist about, any topic, make una just let me know, then we go dey gist dey go. Bye.